CCTV as a department, its purpose is to do closed caption inspections on the inside of structures. But the purpose really of CCTV is pre-inspection, to look at lines and make a sound, reasonable judgment. Where does a repair need to be made? Does a repair need to be made? Do we need to look at it before earthworks happen in the vicinity? Is it a viable line to attach to when we put a new building in? Post-inspection is going through and identifying, is everything assembled correctly inside of the line after everything's been buried? Because there's really no other way to find out other than putting a camera into the pipe. And then routine inspections. Here's this portion of our map, here's our budget for this year, and we're gonna go through and identify, do we have water coming into our lines from outside of the pipe? Do we have roots infesting the line, preventing flow? And the reason I focus on the infiltration issue is because if we have water coming into a pipe, that means we have potentially wastewater going out of a pipe. So that means it could get into our drinking water. And that's a major concern. In addition to that, if we have water coming into our pipes, where they do processing of water, our municipalities are only designed to handle this much water. And if we have groundwater coming into those pipes, it can reach a point where the processing plant can't handle it anymore. The mapping capabilities that happen within CCTV, we might be drawing a map for an individual project. We've had situations where a contractor comes onto a site because they took over for another contractor and they don't have any idea where these in-ground utilities are going. And longevity is really the key for CCTV. It's about being able to see something today, compare it to what we saw 10 years ago, 5 years ago. You know, how has something changed over time? They can go through and say 5 years ago at 50 feet upstream it had this issue. It was minor, we're gonna put it into budgeting 10 years from now. We will go through, identify where repairs need to be made, and make recommendations on the best method of repair. Sometimes the best method of repair is a cured-in-place liner, so fixing the entire straw by putting a new straw inside. It can be, we just got this one point to fix, so we can do a single point repair with our grout team, or an injection grout, both of which are permanent solutions to solving these problems.